you know, my video man is my son. So he's in class now, so I need to practice on how to do this on my own sometimes. So you remember that chicken I made for lettuce wrap? So I have some leftover of that, maybe a little bit of it, not too much, but I can add some good veggies to it and maybe some pasta or some uh, bit more veggies, or I don't know, whatever it is, but make some wholesome dinner or lunch for me and the kids. And I hope you all will like whatever I'm going to make, but I'm going to make something good. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's get started. So I have decided to make a veggie packed kind of a stir fry with a little bit of pasta, but mostly vegetable. So I cut some of my cabbage and rinse it really good and washed it really good. And I'm cutting some of my bell pepper here. Um, you could do other vegetables that could go well with the stir fry, or you could use like broccoli or mushrooms and things like that. And then I'm dicing my onion here, and you just like dice, chop, and get all the vegetables ready for this yummy pasta or lomian or chow mein, if you call it like that. And it's all Asian flavor. And then I also did some grape tomatoes. Then I have some squash and zucchini here, and I'm just slice it thinly with a vegetable peeler thing. And this is what I got from that. And here is my cabbage and all the veggies. Now I heat some oil on a cast iron pan. You could use any other pan you have, and put all my veggies in there. The oil is this time I used grapeseed oil. I just used maybe a couple tablespoon of oil, then added all my veggies. I'm not gonna cook it all the way, like, but cook it to where it's a little bite to it. And I'm going to cook this cabbage, everything together. I did not add the squash and the zucchini yet because it was sliced thinly. I don't want it to cook and be mushy kind of thing. So once the other veggies cook down, I added the zucchini and the squash there. And I'm going to cook that a little bit. And after that, I'm going to add some seasoning. I actually did not add the salt before, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt here. And then I'm going to also add some garlic and ginger over there, like maybe a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of that. I also added maybe a couple tablespoon of soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce, and of course some sriracha. Um, then I'm going to cook that down a little bit. The sriracha, we love spicy, so I added a little bit more afterwards also, but maybe a tablespoon or so is enough. Then once you cook that down, just add some pasta to the veggies. Just maybe like a cup or two full of pasta. Not too much because it has a lot of veggies. So as you can see, I didn't add a lot of pasta. The veggie is more than the pasta, and just mix everything well together. Then I added the chicken from last time. I made this chicken for the lettuce wrap, so this is some leftover, so I'm using it here. If you want it vegan, then you don't have to add the chicken. You just stop where before adding the chicken, so that would be a very good vegan meal for you. And then once this is done, I'm going to chop some cilantro, of course. But if you have like some green onions or some Thai basil, which I love to add that to a stir fry, then you could add that and then mix everything well. And then this is ready to be eaten. You can plate it on a bowl or on a plate and then serve it to yourself or to your kids and enjoy. I hope you like this. This is a very healthy version of Asian flair or Asian food. Instead of a takeout, you can make your own like this in a healthy way and eat it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you do, please let me know, comment, share, and like. And I will see you with another recipe. Hopefully, I'll get my cameraman back. See you later. So I did it, you know, and I think I did pretty darn good job with it, with this lots of veggie packed pasta. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. It's so good. I think you're gonna make it. I really like it. So I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.